We got the Fireball nips. Ice. Now this one wild, y'all ain't never see this one before. We're gonna begin with some tequila, okay? We're using a reposado, okay? This is a little bit older than the Blanco. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tequila and Fireball. Woo. Like that, Adele? Now we got some triple sec, okay? There's a little bit of orange flavor in here. Beautiful. Now we come in here and this frozen pineapple chunks, okay? Let's get this in here. Because Fireball and pineapple go well. And tequila and pineapple go well. So it's a family affair. Let us blend away. Oh yeah, look at that gooey goodness in there. Yes sir. Grab a little knife, grab a line, do something like so. Cut here, cut inside, right? And I come up with a little bit of coarse salt, okay? Don't use regular salt. Actually, you should try to rim a glass with regular salt and drink it. Tell me what you notice. You can learn a lot about salt instantly. Ooh. Right, now you come back here. We just get it around there. All right, now you come in with a little bit of grenadine. Okay, we can put a little grenadine in the bottom there, like so. So now we come in with our gooey goodness. And this can just slide down into that grenadine. And the grenadine's gonna rise up, okay? What do you mean, Sky, is it gonna rise up? Yes, sir, it's gonna rise up. You see that grenadine rising? So don't use too much grenadine. Ah, that look good. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Hold on, let's go straws first. We can stick 2 straws in right down the side like so. Now we grab our little nipettes. I don't know what these called, okay? Some people call them nips, some people call them travel size, whatever. That's one there, for goodness sake. There's another one here, for good luck. And there's another one here, to complete the threesome. And there you have it, the triple Bulldog Fireball Margarita, okay? Delicious, classy. Okay, look at me. Don't I already look more intelligent? No. I don't, okay? But you know I'm fun. You see what I'm saying? You look at this and go, damn, that dude, he don't look smart, but he's fun, okay? I'm gonna take a little hit. Good to go. The Fireball and tequila, pineapple work real well, man, okay? When you put bottles in, the ears signify Bulldog, okay? Because there would be two ears, and that's like a Bulldog's ears. So it's got 3 ears, because there's another nip in here. Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Stay tipsy, stay tipsy.